City lights calling my name, chasing the night, playing the game.
Effect, the mental energizer. Effect, the mental energizer.
Today is just another day, another afternoon, another night. There's no birthday or anniversary, no cakes, no cards. Just this moment, right now. But that's what makes it so great. And it's what a farm boy named John made his whiskey for, almost 200 years ago. You see, Johnny, as his friends knew him, brought together 29 of the finest single malts from all four corners of Scotland. All for times like this. The small stuff. The good stuff. The kind of stuff that really matters. You don't need a special occasion. You just need each other. At the end of the day, whiskey is only as good as the people you share it with. Because what good old Johnny knew then is still true today. The journey is so much better when we walk this road together.